Hello guys, this is unboxing iPad Pro. Okay, so we will unbox this one, and this is iPad Pro with 128 GB, 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi. Okay, now we will unbox this one. So it has a very good packing, as always given by Apple. Oh wow, nice. This is nice. So we have this one. Okay, we will remove the tape. As you can see, we have untaped it, and it's a nice and sleek design by Apple. Now it is a type C and with speakers and a very sleek design. Okay, now we will try to on it.
This is a Wi-Fi model.
It's a Wi-Fi model, so we have Wi-Fi in our office already. These are the chargers, these are the accessories which comes with this model. At least they are giving it with this one. So they have stopped with the iPhones, but they are still giving it with this iPads. Nice. So this is the brochure, something manual designed by Apple in California. Nice. So you can see the manuals there, and this is the as usual charger for Apple type C. Okay,
20 watts.
it's a 20 watt. So 20 watt charger.
Let me see.
So we will okay, so now we are on this one. Hello. So we'll just configure this one. Quick start. No, keep it. Have his settings. English, maybe. Yes. Choose a Wi-Fi. Quattro maybe. So we are trying to connect it with our Wi-Fi. Okay, we will not show the password. And it is connected. Blue Dolphin. So it takes a few minutes to activate your iPad, so we will wait for some time. So now we are configuring it and creating Face ID.
Set up
Now
later.
we'll set up it later. We are creating a passcode. We have to create some passcode. Face ID.
Transfer.
So there is a two-factor authentication. So we received an OTP in our mobile. And we have to sign some terms and conditions. We don't read it even.
There is no option without accepting it. So
No option. Yes, correctly said.
you can do is prepare it like this.
Yes, possible. Ah, good. Siri, screen time, iPad analytics, true tone display, appearance.
For battery saving, we will
For battery saving, we are using this. So welcome to iPad. Voila, see, it's a great design with great features. So we will show the configuration going by setting and about. Okay, so here you can see, okay, we have some, so we have this configuration. Capacity is 128 GB, label is 114, and Bluetooth is the new feature, and the version, software version is 14.6. iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Great. So that's all from this one. I hope you liked the video.